Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Good boy. You want to share?
Look at such bad habits. I'm going to put this up on YouTube. I think Lancelot likes it more than Zach.
I think he's getting more than Zach.
Lancelot's a much more...
It's not a very fair sharing experience here. Look, he's eating faster. He is.
That's my finger. I think there's a little more. You know that?
He's going to try to take the husk. He's going to try to take it. I don't want to.
All right.
Oh, my goodness.
All right. High five, buddy. Oh, you're still eating?
He's lying down.
He cleans up the mess.
Okay, clean up after
He's
yourself.
got corn on his
Hey,
claws.
you still gotta clean up after yourself.
Yeah. He's got corn all
Good
over
boy.
him. Oh, it's funny.
Say thank
Boy.
you. Did you say thank you?
Say thank you.
If you ever did, now you really should.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, that's what.
I just my voice.
Speak. Speak. Say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. All right, good boy.